Hey guys, so before we start the hair coloring part of this video, I'm doing Rainbow Pride hair. Pride month is coming up. I'm going to the Pride Festival. I want rainbow hair extensions. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I'm going to show you guys all the products that I have and what I'm doing because I only got a few different colors because I'm going to mix colors to make colors of the rainbow. Instead of spending the $12 to $18 on one bottle of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, I'm going to mix some colors. Don't mind the light, the flickering, it needs to be changed, okay? Let's ignore that. But I'm just going to show you guys the extensions that I am using, that I bought off of Amazon and all that good stuff. This reddish color one, it needs to be curled. These are old Bellamy hair extensions that I pulled out of my hair extension bag that has been sitting behind this door for like a year. And I thought, let me just mix them into my black ones and see how it looks. Love it. Can't wait to have the rainbow. So these black ones are actually off of Amazon. My hair is looking a little crazy right now. I have to wash it. But the black ones are also off Amazon. They were around 60 something, but with tax, it came to more close to 70. And then these ones right here, they were more expensive because they were platinum blonde. So they were around $10 more. And then with tax, I believe it came to like 80 something. So this is the brand right here. And I buy it right off of Amazon. I believe it's like Dores, I don't know. These are clip-in. I have it right here. You guys can just see. Is it focusing? All right, like that. All right. And I wanted to do this because I saw Divinity. I will post her picture right here. She is on TikTok. She is gorgeous. And I saw her TikTok video where she got rainbow hair extensions put in her hair. And then of course she had her front pieces bleached. I'm not bleaching my actual hair just because I put my hair through a lot over the years and I'm trying to get it back to a healthier state. So that's why we got some extensions and we also got the black ones for the length, but we want the blonde ones for the color. So these are great quality, especially with them coming off of Amazon. These ones right here, like I said, are Bellamy. They were like 160 maybe, and these ones only came out with tax like 80. So you get a good amount of hair. They are 16 inches, which I think is perfect because if you guys can see, if I don't blend my natural hair in, it is shorter. And then I got these bangs right here that I cut that I tried to conceal earlier. You guys will see at the end of the video, I'll be like all glammed up and everything. But right now we're barefaced. It is 9:30 at night. My son is asleep and I want to dye my extensions. So I got the blonde. They are clipped. I haven't even undid it yet. I'm going to do it when I do my video. So, well, when I film it, when I'm out at the kitchen and I'm gonna be doing the hair dye, I will undo them. You guys will see. They're just regular basic clip-in extensions and they are Remy hair. And if you are looking to do it more on a budget instead of spending 160 something on just the extensions, you can go right on Amazon. Don't get me wrong, Bellamy is amazing. I love it. I would recommend it, but I don't got 160 to drop just on extensions right now. So these came in clutch. They're perfect. I love the color. And then the products at Sally's, I believe, cost me around $65. So around the price it would cost just for the extensions from like a Bellamy, you can have your extensions and the full rainbow. So I am so excited. I'm going to put my music on. I might have a little Bacardi rum punch. I don't know, while I'm sitting there sipping on a little something, listening to my music and coloring some hair. So if you guys want to see how I'm going to do my rainbow hair extensions for Pride Month, then just keep on watching.
You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time. Come a little closer. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby. Please don't walk away. I love I love you and you got nothing to prove, oh, baby, I know we got this.
Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life.